How to fix Lloyds Bank app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about fixing the Lloyds Bank not working. So let's get started. First of all, to effectively troubleshoot any ongoing issues with your Lloyds Bank app, the initial step is to double check that your application is up to date. This can be easily accomplished by visiting the App Store or the Play Store dedicated to the Lloyds Bank on your device and pressing the update button if it's available. Following the update process, navigate to your device settings and proceed to locate the option of General Settings. Scroll down and find Apps option, then click on it. From the top right corner of the screen, you can simply search for the Lloyds app, or you can simply scroll all the way down and select it. From there, again scroll down and click on Storage option, and from there on the bottom of the screen, you will find the Clear Cache or the Clear Data option. Simply click on it. This will help you clear out the cache related to the Lloyds Bank app. In the event that the issue still continues after clearing the cache, it is recommended to address this by completing uninstalling and then reinstalling the application. By executing this step, any underlying bugs or the glitches that could be causing the disruptions within the app's functionality can potentially be resolved. Always keep in mind that by engaging with the content, you can stay informed with more insightful tips and advice to assist you with navigating through the similar troubleshooting process effectively in the future. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.